In this video, you'll learn how to create a free appointment WordPress website. This process involves navigating through the WordPress interface and utilizing its features to establish your site effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and go into the WordPress website. In the address bar, enter WordPress.com/sites, and press enter. This action will take you to the WordPress sites dashboard where you can manage your WordPress sites. Once you are on the sites page, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This button is typically located prominently on the page. Click on it to initiate the process of creating your website using the AI site builder. After clicking Create with AI, a message will appear stating laying the foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to set up your new website. You may notice a brief loading animation during this phase, which is normal as the AI processes your request. Next, you will see a message that prompts you to make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start personalizing your site. Follow the prompts as they guide you through the setup process. At this point, type in Create a free appointment WordPress website in the designated text field. This action helps the AI understand what type of website you want to create. After entering the text, make sure to click on Enter to proceed. Following your input, the system will confirm that WordPress.com can create a free appointment WordPress website. This confirmation will appear on the screen, allowing you to move forward with the customization process. Now type in the choice given above to specify your website's focus. This step is crucial as it helps define the purpose of your site. After entering your choice, click Enter again to continue. Once you have entered your choice, a message will appear asking what your website should be called. This is the site title that will be displayed in the browser tab. Type the desired name for your site and click Enter to save your input. Next, you will be prompted to enter a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This description should capture what you help people do. After typing in your tagline, click on Enter to proceed. After entering your tagline, click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action finalizes your initial setup and prepares your site for generation. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your site is being created. You will then encounter a message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is actively working to generate your website. It may take a moment for the site to be created depending on server load and your internet speed. As the site generation process continues, you may see various loading indicators. This phase might take a while, so be patient as the AI works to set everything up. It is important to remain on this page until the process is complete. Once the generation process is finished, you will receive a notification confirming that your site has been successfully created. At this point, you can begin customizing your website further, adding content, and setting up appointment features. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.